Question 8. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Hint is provided. Assume the 4 consecutive terms in AP are A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay. Question 8. Solution. Let 4 consecutive terms in an APB according to given information, according to given hint, those be A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay, and therefore by first condition, sum of these 4 terms is 12. Okay, by first condition, A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D equals 12. Okay, that is A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D equals 12. Minus D plus D will get cancelled. A plus A plus A plus A gives us 4A plus 2D equals 12. Dividing both sides by 2 we get, therefore 2A plus D equals 12 divided by 2 gives us 2 6 are 12. Let's call it as equation first. By second condition, second condition is sum of third and fourth term is 14. Sum of third and fourth term is 14, means A plus D plus A plus 2D equals 14. That is A plus D plus A plus 2D equals 14, and therefore A plus A gives us 2A plus D plus 2D gives us 3D equals 14. Let's call it as equation second. Now by equation 2 minus equation 1 we get, okay, equation 2 is 2A plus 3D equals 14, and equation 1 is 2A plus D equals 6. 2A plus D equals 6. We decided to perform an operation of subtraction. Due to subtraction, 2A will become minus 2A plus D will become minus D, and plus 6 will become minus 6. 2A minus 2A will get cancelled. 3D minus D gives us 2D equals 14 minus 6 gives us 8, and therefore D equals 8 upon 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, means D equal to 4. Let's call it equation third, and therefore from 1 and 3, according to 1, 2A plus D equal to 6, isn't? Therefore we may write here 2A plus 4 equal to 6, and therefore 2A equals 6 minus 4, and therefore 2A equal to 2, and therefore A equals 2 upon 2, means A equals 1. Equation 4, and therefore A minus D equals 1 minus 4 equals minus 3. A equals 1. A plus D equals 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay, and A plus 2D equals 1 plus 2 into 4 equals 1 plus 8 equal to 9. And therefore 4 consecutive terms in an AP are, first term is a minus d, that is minus 3. Next is a, and value of a is 1. Next a plus d, which is 5, and fourth term a plus 2d, which is 9. Okay, minus 3, 1, 5, 9. Those will be the required 4 consecutive terms. There is one more alternative method to solve this question 8. Let's solve question 8 by that method also. By another method, let's solve question 8. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Okay. Question 8 solution. Let 4 consecutive terms in an AP be a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. Okay. Therefore, by first condition, sum of these 4 consecutive terms is 12, means a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equals 12. That is a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equals 12. Minus 3d will get cancelled with plus 3d. Minus d will cancel with plus d. A plus a plus a plus a gives us 4a equals 12, and therefore a equals 12 upon 4. 4 3s are 12. Therefore a equal to 3. Okay, let's call it as equation first. By second condition, sum of third and fourth term is 14. Okay, it tells us sum of third and fourth term is 14. Third term is a plus d and fourth term is a plus 3d. That's why a plus d plus a plus 3d, that equals 14. That is a plus d plus a plus 3d equals 14, and therefore a plus a 2a, d plus 3d 4d, 4d equals 14. Dividing both sides by 2, we get a plus 2d equals 7, and therefore value of a already we know, which is 3. Therefore 3 plus 2d equal to 7. From equation 1 we kept value of a as 3, and therefore 2d equals 7 minus 3 equals 4, and therefore d equals 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, means d equal to 2. Equation second. And therefore let's find a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. Therefore a minus 3d equals, value of a is 3. 3 minus 3 into value of d is 2, means 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 equals minus 3. Next, with which we are interested is a minus d, that equals 3 minus value of d is 2. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. A plus d equals 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and a plus 3d equals 3 plus 3 into 2 equals 3 plus 6 equal to 9. And therefore those four consecutive terms in an AP B, yes, which will be those minus 3, 1, 5, 9. Means we get same terms, minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Okay. Question 9th. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 90th term. Okay? Question 9th. Solution. Let in an AP, A be the first term and D be common difference. Okay. Here he tells us that T9 is 0. He tells us what he tells. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Let's call it as equation first. Okay, T9 equal to 0. But we have a formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D, and therefore we can write here T9 equals A plus 9 minus 1 into D. That is T9 equals A plus 8D. Equation second. Okay. And therefore from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 1 tells us T9 equal to 0. Equation second tells us T9 equals A plus 8D. That's why from 1 and 2 we may conclude A plus 8D equals 0. Okay, A plus 8D equal to 0. Equation third. Now T19 and T29 we are interested with. Now T19 equals A plus 19 minus 1 into D. That is T19 equals A plus 18D. Okay, A plus 18D. That can be written as A plus 8D plus 10D. And already we have A plus 8D equal to 0. Let's put value of A plus 8D as 0. 0 plus 10D. Therefore, T19 equals 0 plus 10D data dash from equation third. And therefore, T19 equals 10D. Let's call it as equation fourth. Similarly, T29 equals A plus 29 minus 1 into D. That is T29 equals A plus 28D. Okay, once again that A plus 28D we can write as A plus 8D plus 20D. Okay, and let's put value of a plus 8d as 0. Okay, that will be 0 plus 20d from third, and therefore T29 equals, and therefore T29 equals 20d equals 2 into 10d, and 10d is the value of T19 equals 2 into T19 dash from equation 4, and therefore T29 equals 2 into T19, that is 29th term is twice of 19th term. Okay, 29th term is twice of 19th term. Hence the proof. Thank you.